Welcome to ClaimInsight, AMPS' trusted solution for payment integrity. Backed by 25 years in the market and more than 50 years of executive expertise, ClaimInsight was built to break the mold, delivering clinical precision and operational insight to safeguard every healthcare dollar before it's paid.
ClaimInsight represents a pivotal step in our mission to bring greater transparency, accuracy, and efficiency to healthcare cost containment. It empowers payers and TPAs with the clarity that they need to make informed decisions and reduce waste.
ClaimInsight is powered by two key components: IPU, which delivers intelligent, policy-driven prepay claim edits, and HDR, a physician-led review for high-cost inpatient claims. Together, they ensure payment accuracy.
Too many payers are stuck with black box solutions that lack transparency and flexibility. ClaimInsight was built to change that. We combined intelligent, policy-driven edits with physician-led reviews to give our clients clear, actionable insights so they can make confident payment decisions before dollars go out the door.
Our results speak for themselves: millions in verified savings and 7 to 10% overpayment prevention. That's money protected before it ever leaves your plan. By combining human expertise with intelligent automation, ClaimInsight returns control to your hands, helping you reduce overpayment risk, gain transparency, and build trust in every transaction. See the results for yourself. Request your analysis today and experience the future of payment integrity.